Hey Unis, welcome to the channel. So, as you can see, Becca's not right next to me as usual, and we're not in the ice cream shop, and we're not, just next to each other. But, this might just be my channel from now on. Who knows? But we haven't filmed long videos just because a lot of things have been happening, and, we want to enjoy summer break. Oh, hi Nico! Hey Nico. What? Oh, no, I'm sorry, not right now. Okay, my dog carpet was white, so... Okay, I'm scared. What happened? It's not white. Okay, you know what? We're just not gonna worry about that right now. We'll clean it up later. In the meantime, you better have some explaining to do. I'm mad. But I can clean it. It's fine. I can clean it. Oh no, I'm stuck. I hate when I get stuck here. Hold up. Because I'll just see you when I get to camping once I found my mouse. Oh, I just died. Hold up, let me just get Katie out. Oh wait, I have a good idea. Okay, so we're gonna go to the vehicles and I'll just see you guys when I get to camp. Alrighty, you guys. So, I know I didn't do the normal intro, but we are here at camp. Just go inside. So you know how you always have to pay like 200? See, wait, hold up. No, you usually have to pay. Oh wait, yeah. Write your lunch for your family, 200. Hold up. I have a trick for you guys. Don't pay 200 here. Okay. We'll just go through here. You press sleep, and then you press on you, your animal, or your baby, then you teleport to them, and then you're in. Voila. Life hack here. Or Roblox hack here. Okay, but anyway, so my pet is hungry. So there's a marshmallow. Eat that up, you're so fluffy like a marshmallow. Okay, there you go. Also, you guys, I just got a new car, and it's this, wait, that's a bad example, hold up. Okay, there you go. I just got this new convertible, and guys, I didn't really like the Dogmobile, so that's what I traded it for. The girl's like, how about that and that? I'm like, no, the Dogmobile is a legendary, and it's a new legendary, so just go with it. And I really like these convertibles. Oh no, it's sick. Maddie made him sick. Okay, so, I know my facial expression is a little different. Oops, wait, Katie went somewhere. But, that was because my mom was making a lot of noise and I didn't like the noise. Okay? Thank you for understanding. Wait, I got healing apples, dang it. Oh, okay. Well, I think it would be nice to go on the slide, because I haven't gone on the slide in a while. Oh. No, I don't want a dragon. I want my neon unicorn. Thank you. I mean, you keep your dragon and maybe get others. Like, guys, I used to have all the legendaries. Now I only have one, which is the unicorn, which is going to be neon. So I basically think of it as that. Yeah. Now we gotta go to the hospital. You know what, we're just gonna do the single. I don't care anymore. Okay, well, Aglaya just texted me and said she had some exciting news, so right quickly. So she's really poor, so I don't know what kind of exciting news she would have. Ooh, my heart. Oh yeah, and she's right next to me, but she only wants to type, so just so you know, you guys, so. Okay, let's see. What now? She's right next to me, but I'm not going to look on her screen. Oh, thank you. Wow, I have 4,242. But that's good. But that's good. Josh, she's like, Josh. Of course it's good. Usually she's like in the 500s or 200s, so. But that's because she's been saving up to get a neon Phoenix box. Whoa, wait. Not in your family? Oh yeah, I'm not in your family. I'll create a family. Wait, hold up. Oh, thank you. Because I can't create a family. Now, she got this SUV because of me. And then I gave it to Leah. And then Leah gave it to Nico. Well, slash Aglaya, so. That's good. That's good. You see me rolling. Hey. Okay, so, yeah, that was our song that we sang. Yeah. Where's Nico? Wait. Pets are... Oh my gosh, I wonder who wrote that. Who wrote that? I think it was Katie. Katie, my unicorn, wrote that. I'm gonna tell Nico. Nico, look at what my unicorn wrote. Look at what my unicorn wrote. Come. I saw a girl, and I don't care. I saw a girl, and I don't care. I don't care no more. Oh, she's like, fine. Okay, I'll just read it to her. It says, pets are awesome and vegan. Yeah, because I'm a vegan, and I'm not ashamed to say it. Go vegan, save the world for being destroyed. Well, hey, wait, she's leaving without me. I don't have I need an Uber. Uber. I'm not paying you, though, because I'm your best friend, so. Wait, hold up. Katie makes a drink. Not actually drink, you guys, don't worry. Okay, I want to go to your house. I want to see your house, Aglaya. Or Nico. Oh, sorry. She's like, what'd she say? Oop, if you say so. I said no sorry, okay? Nico. Fine, we'll just quickly just go in here. And so my unicorn can sleep. You know what? Guys, we'll just get to the exciting part and see her house. Okay. We're here. Okay, you know what? Maybe the inside, is decorated. So that'll look nice. And also, she has a nice, oh. I mean, it's cozy. I guess you could say that. Okay, I'm gonna do the shower. So, no, disgusting. Okay. I can't lie, so that's the truth. Okay, I'm gonna wait for her outside because I have no car right now, and it's parked at my house, so I gotta wait for her, so, to drive me to school. Thank you for those 20s, but remember that from our first YouTube video? Midnight, remember that. Alright, so, okay. Drive me to school now. You got it. Smiley face. And I said now, so it better be there ASAP. Also, you guys, I'm in my PJs. You guys see them? Yeah. I don't think you guys need to see that. What? No, she left me. I have to walk now. Because my car, my house. That's where my car is, my house. Okay. Oh, she came back to me. Okay. Move, kid. Oh, oops, we just ran over a dude. Okay, we're there. Oh, okay. I'm gonna ask Nico if she could, like, Nico, do you know how to TP my car here? Such a noob. Guessing she's typing? Also, Nico, tell them what you're gonna do with your box. Tell them what you're gonna do with your box. Okay, so what is she gonna do with her neon box? Wait, not neon box. I just gave it away. Oops. Well, she said, wait, OMG, I'm gonna make a neon pet smiley face. That's cool. Oh, let's put out our lemonade stands. I think she already did. Oh well, she did already. But we gotta have this competition. Okay. And we're just gonna put it right here. Set price for, let's do it $3 now. Not. Or $1. Yeah, $1. That's like a good advantage. Then they could buy millions of these $1 things. But then, also, you guys, I was wondering if you could buy your own lemonade. Let's see. Oh, you can't because it's safe. Set price or take that. Can't buy it. Oh, okay, so we'll buy it. Buy more. Buy more. I'm kidding. No, I don't want to trade. Okay, so, wait. So if you go to vehicles, oh, I'm a noob. No, wait. I'll take that. Just they're both teams, so. Okay, I'm gonna take out my unicorn. Okay, so you guys, I'm in a different position because my mom was talking too much. So I had to pause the video and just go where I was. Okay. Okay, that was me screaming because my mom was talking again. Come on, Katie. Let's go.
Are you doing sweetheart?
Please tell me that did not just happen again. No. Anyway, guys, we're just gonna end it right here. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Bye before anything else bad happens.